free India. But as a curious being, this question echoes in my mind and immediately and gets reflected. I am a proud Indian, an award-winning author, and a passionate issue who believes in the power of words and their ability to change the world. Today, on the occasion of Independence Day, I stand before you not to celebrate freedom, but to question it, to feel it, and most importantly, to live. Freedom, we didn't buy, but we obtained. On 15 August 1947, India got freedom from the British. But it is the starting of India's era, which is independent era of India, which we received from sacrifices of Gandhiji and the voice of Subhash Chandra Bose, who said, "Heat, blood, and I will give you freedom." They didn't fight for the luxury. They fight for dignity, for our self-respect, and for us to live in free nature. But after 79 years, what do you think that freedom? If you are saying that India is independent, then answer me. Why still girls fear to walk in alone in the night? Why still girls are dependent upon others? What decision? What is the reason? Still people are judged on their caste and cloth. Is this type of freedom are freedom fighters fighting? No, not for this. We the youth have to take the power and responsibility that wherever injustices are happening, we have to take a stand. Then only India will get freedom in South we have to fulfill the demand of the people because we are the face of India. We are the future of today's and tomorrow's India. We have to fight for our respect and we have to give that respect to the others.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click on the bell icon.